When accidents happen, trust matters most. Since 2012, Alamo Collision Center has served San Antonio with unwavering excellence and integrity. We understand the stress and are here to make things right. Our certified technicians specialize in collision repair, dent removal, frame straightening, and precision paint matching. We ensure your vehicle looks and performs like new. We handle insurance claims from start to finish, so you can focus on getting back on the road. We use state-of-the-art technology to calibrate safety systems and apply Enviro-based waterborne paint for a flawless, eco-friendly finish. Every repair is backed by our lifetime guarantee, providing lasting peace of mind. Experience the trusted difference. Call 210-348-6660 or visit 2211 Northwest Loop 410 today.